Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back. So today I have just a quick little video to share with you guys in order to announce an open collab which I will be hosting for October 12th at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I will be hosting a Halloween decor tour. This will be an open collab, so if you have a YouTube channel and you decorate for Halloween, I would love it if you would make a video and add it into the tour. I think that would be so much fun. I've been wanting to do an open collab tour for a really long time, and I thought that Halloween would be the perfect time to do it because it's such a fun holiday. So, and I don't know about you guys, but I don't really do a whole lot of decorating for Halloween. I do like a little bit here in my kitchen. I like to get out like my vintage inspired stuff. But I know a lot of people are like totally into Halloween and they do a ton of decorating. So I hope we'll get like a wide range of styles and involvement, I guess you would say. So if this sounds exciting and interesting to you, I hope that you will join us on October 12th. So I will put up a video at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Central Standard Time, on October 12th. And at the very top of the description box will be a playlist. You click on that and you can add your videos. So just to recap, it will be a Halloween decor tour, which is an open collaboration so anyone can join. On October 12th, it's a Monday, at 3 o'clock Central Standard Time. Alright, so that's basically all the information you need. So now you just need to get decorating and film a video and be ready for October 12th. Alright, so I hope you guys will join me on the 12th. If you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments and I hopefully will be able to answer them. Alright, see you guys soon. Bye now.